If you're looking for a simple tutorial to set up your YouTube automation channel, you're in the right place. No useless information, no fiddling details, just straight to the point instructions to create your channel in easy steps and start building your money-making machine. You don't need to look forward, we made all the research needed so that you can start right now, save time and effort. To create a YouTube automation channel, you need to set it up, design a logo, a YouTube banner, and download them to your channel. In this video, we'll start with the first 2 steps to make it easier for you to digest and apply information. So, don't forget to subscribe to watch the following steps. Number 1. How to set up a YouTube automation channel in simple steps. First, you need a Google account. Even if you have one already, either for personal or professional use, create a new one for your YouTube automation channel. So let's say you're gonna create a new account. Go to Google, tap Google account on the search bar. On the right side of the screen, click on Create an Account. This is where you end up, new to Google. Fill in the blanks on the form, then click Next. When you reach the Privacy and Terms page, click on I agree at the bottom. This is your new Gmail box. Again, on the right side of the screen, you'll see a sign in icon. Click on it. You'll be directed to this page. Click on Create Account. You'll end up with 2 options, for myself or to manage my business. Pick the second option. Yes, if you want to create a YouTube channel and make big money from it, you need to start treating it as a real business. And it all starts by putting it in the professional category from the beginning of your journey. That's how you acquire the mindset needed to get the most out of the YouTube automation business model. We recommend going with your brand name. If you're not sure yet, no problem, you can easily change it later. After clicking on To Manage My Business, you need to fill out the form showing on your screen. Write your first name, your family name in the case on the side, then write the name you want to give to your channel. Choose a password, confirm it, then click on Next, and here we are. Number 2. Create a stunning logo for your YouTube automation channel. On the right side of the screen, you have an empty icon. So you first need to customize your channel with a logo. Before showing you how to download the logo in your channel, we're gonna explain how to make an outstanding sigil for free. If you don't know Canva yet, it's a graphic design interface even a kid can use. The platform is built in a way that people with no graphic design skills can create whiteboards, Facebook posts, YouTube thumbnails, and much more. So, we're gonna make our logo using this magical tool. On the home page, you will find a search bar under What will you design? Type Logo. As you see, you have many specific suggestions such as circle, gaming, and food logo. But we're gonna click on Logo. We have been directed to this page. We can click on Create a blank logo and start from scratch, or select a ready-to-use template and personalize it. Before, you need to know that templates with the crown icon are professional. This means that you need to have a paid subscription to be able to download the logo. But honestly, even the free templates are amazing. If you make space for creativity, you can create a nice one, a logo that reflects your brand image in a unique way. On the other hand, if you need to extend your possibilities, go for the paid version of Canva. It costs around $50 a year. Yes, $50 a year, and it gives you the tools to reach a more advanced level. We believe you will make the right choice. So, you'll find in the description below 2 links for both free and paid versions of Canva. Now that you know how to create a logo with Canva without spending a penny, we'll go back to this page and select this one. As you see, we can use it for free. Now you can customize your logo by changing the color of the background, the text, and even the image. Actually, Canva needs a whole tutorial, and it's the most useful tool you can start with even if you want to get into the YouTube automation business. We tried so many graphic software. Some of them were free while others needed a membership. and Canva is definitely the most accessible one. If you're just starting over, the free version is quite satisfying. For us, we quickly decided to upgrade for the professional subscription. We couldn't deal with the paid designs showing on the screen and us not being able to take advantage of them. We'll leave you a link in the description to the interface to ease your way to build a profitable business on YouTube, where visuals are an unquestionable mainstay. Our video is getting to its end. If you need to find out the following steps to create your YouTube automation channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell to get a notification for every new video. You don't need to go any further. You'll find here all the information you need to make money on YouTube without revealing your identity. Let us know in the comments below what you think about Canva as a free tool. Thank you for watching.